All right, guys, now that we've visited the campus, we've made a strong and valuable and lasting impression on the people that we've interacted with. We had a wonderful day, man. Maybe some pizza on the way home, but we did make it home with all that information and the materials. I don't know how much it is. Maybe you bought 8 books, 9 books, 6 books. Hopefully you were able to pick up some things too. The reason being is that if you already have the course material and you have the syllabi for all your classes, then it's 3 weeks out from school. In that scenario, what would you suggest for that person to do? Yes, read ahead. Obviously, yes, man. We were doing this for a reason, not just to show up to campus and have a great day and have that slice of pizza I mentioned. We showed up to gather this information because the bigger plan, the end in mind, is the goal. The goal is to maximize your GPA starting this semester, and you're going to increase it by at least 1 point over the next 2 semesters. So your end is that. So if you have all the books and there's 3 weeks out from school, yes, I suggest that you do read ahead. In fact, that's exactly what exercise number 5 is. But what you're going to do is just haphazardly read ahead. You're going to grab all the syllabus for each class. You're going to map out when the first assignment and or first test shows up. Once you map that on your calendar, you are then going to go to the course material associated with that on the syllabus and tie it in with the book associated with it. If you know you have an assignment due the second or third or fourth week of school, and you're sitting 3 weeks out from the beginning of school, it makes sense to start ahead. So yes, read ahead in the manner that I suggested. Now, before you open the actual book itself, you need to get to know the author. Just going to sum it up. Why? Because context matters. If you understand who the author is, the cover, open it up, read the inside, a little bit about the author, the publishing, where it came from, moving on to the foreword, to the introduction. All this stuff should be perused. I'm not saying sit down and read this entire textbook. What I'm saying is become familiar with how it was constructed and who constructed it. Once you do that, check out all the sections, see how they flow, check out how they construct the actual chapters themselves, become familiar with the book. Once you're done with that, now you have an understanding of what's going on, then open up the book to your first chapter and start consuming that information. You have 3 weeks. Please don't kill yourself. Set a reasonable 2-chapter goal for each class. That way, when you start your semester, you're making it look easy. They're wondering how you're doing it so well. It's because you did the steps prior. So, summing it up, after you visited your campus, you collected all the books and the syllabus, come home, consult your syllabus, understand where the first assignments and tests show up, plot them on your calendar, and then devise a system for getting to know this information the 3 weeks before school start. That way, you're at least 2-3 weeks ahead for school. That alone is going to make your demeanor, your flow, that much easier. You're going to be comfortable, and you'll be better prepared mentally for school and everything that comes your way. Outside of school, too, socially and everything else. Because once you've mastered school, you'll be able to dedicate more cognitive power to other things in life that bring you joy as well. So anyway, that being the case, you guys go ahead, review those books. Congratulations for making it this far. Man, I'm so proud of you if you are here. And man, I can't wait to hear your story. But we're almost done. We got a couple more chapters to go. But make sure and review those books. And pretty much all of your preparation for your next semester will be done at this point. So reward yourself. Go out and have some fun. And then come on back for the rest of your modules. Take care. All right.